Hello everyone, this is Linda. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these breakfast eggs with this simple ingredient: eggs, bacon bits, bell pepper, milk, salt, black pepper, and some butter. I'll list everything down below. First of all, we're going to crack all our eggs into a medium-sized mixing bowl. Then we're going to add the milk, the black pepper, and the salt. Then we're going to whisk it together. You can adjust the taste of the salt and black pepper as you like it. After whisking everything together, we're going to set it aside until our skillet is ready. The skillet, I start with 1 tablespoon of butter, but you can add more if you need, until it's melted, and I'll pour in the egg mixture. Then I'm going to add my add-ins, which I'm going to use chopped bell pepper and bacon bits. You can also do diced ham, cheese, or cooked potatoes. Then you're going to use a spatula and you're going to use it to push the cooked eggs into the center from the sides of the pan, allowing the liquid eggs to flow in underneath. Repeat until there's no liquid left and the eggs are cooked through, about 3 to 4 minutes depending on your heat. I use medium heat. So when you see no liquid and the egg is cooked, and here we have our breakfast eggs or scrambled egg with some add-ins. These are delicious, very healthy breakfast meal that you can make in no time. You guys give it a try. If you have any questions, please leave them down below and I'll respond to that. Thank you and subscribe.